Okay, so today we are doing a tutorial for ZYL. I'm going to pull it up on my laptop for you, and I'm just going to copy down the question. So this is ZYL, okay? This is when variables are on both sides. So for my first one, I'm going to do an easy one, start from 0 smart score. I've got a negative 5 plus 5z equals 6z. Okay, so what I want to do, draw my divider. I need to get these together. Okay, so what I do is I need to subtract 5z from this side. Okay, I want my variables on one side, my constants on another. So this is going to cancel out. Okay, I'm going to get down here. Bring this negative 5 down. And then I have 6z minus 5z equals z. Okay, so that is my answer for that one. Next one. I'm gonna skip up to the next level, which is negative 6 minus 7d equals 4 minus 2d. Okay, so I need to do the same thing. Get variables on one side, constants on another. I need to plan this, okay? So I want to plan to get a positive d, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 7d to both sides, okay? I will bring this negative 6 down. These will cancel out. Negative 6 equals 4. And negative 2 plus 7 is a positive 5d, okay? So now I need to get that constant over to the other side. I want d by itself. So I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. So what happens is I get a negative 10 equals 5d, okay? So these are a little more tedious. It's a little longer, but you can do it. We've done this before. So what you need to do is you need to get d by itself. So whatever is right here, that's what I need to divide by. So divide by 5 on both sides, and I get d equals, when you're dividing opposite signs, you get a sad face, so we get a sad face 2. Okay, so d equals negative 2. All right, I'm going to skip to another one, another smart score. All right, so this is ZYL once again. I get negative j minus 9 equals negative 2j. Okay, so I need to get my j's together. So I'm going to add j. This is going to cancel out. So now what I have is a constant on one side, and then my j's on the other side. So I have a negative j, okay, so that is going to be like a 1j. So negative 2 plus 1 is a negative 1j. So since I have a negative here, I need to get rid of that negative, so I need to divide by the negative. So negative 1, I get j is equal to positive 9. All right, I'm going to do one more, and I'm going to get in the challenge zone here for you. And then I think the challenge zone is decimals. I don't really want to work with decimals. Okay, here we go. Challenge zone is going to be negative 4d plus 5, and then we get 20d. Okay, so what's going to happen is we need to distribute. Okay, but I also see this little trick we did. So if I can divide this whole thing, both sides, by negative 4, can I do that? Yes, because this is divisible by 4, and this is divisible by 4. So we have, if I divide by negative 4, those will cancel out. I get a negative 4d plus 5 equals 20 divided by negative 4. So we get a positive divided by negative is a sad face. Sad face 5d. Okay, now I have the variables on both sides, and I just solve like normal. So once again, I need to get d to the other side, okay? So add 4D, add 4D. Okay, these will cancel out. I get a 5 equals negative 5D plus 4D is a negative D. Okay, I don't want that negative there. I got to get rid of it. To get rid of it, divide by negative 1. Okay, this is an imaginary 1 there. Okay, so this will cancel out. This will cancel out. I get D equals, when you divide by opposite signs, you get a sad face, negative 5. Okay, that's it. Z